Kuching is like, heaven. So there.
Baru-baru ini penyanyi dan pelakon dari Korea Selatan iaitu Rain telah datang ke Malaysia setelah dijemput menjadi tetamu utama istimewa anugerah filem antarabangsa ASEAN di Kuching, Sarawak. Kedatangan Rain ke Kuching sudah tentu telah mendapat sambutan hangat daripada peminat muzik dan drama Korea. Ketika majlis meet and greet di Old Court House Kuching, Rain telah mencairkan hati peminatnya di Malaysia kerana dia telah mengatakan dia sangat menyukai Kuching dan makanan kegemarannya di situ ialah laksa. Menurut Facebook Unit Komunikasi Awam Sarawak, kedatangan Rain telah disambut oleh Timbalan Menteri Pelancongan, Industri Kreatif dan Seni Persembahan Sarawak, Datuk Snow dan Lawan bersama Timbalan Menteri Pelancongan, Industri Kreatif dan Seni Persembahan Sarawak, Datuk Sebastian Ting Chiao Yu.
Rain, are you enjoying your stay in Kuching and what have you enjoyed most?
You know what? This is my first time. I really love Kuching. Kuching is like, heaven. So there's so delicious food and beautiful city. I love Kuching.
Lovely, thank you, Rain. Big hand to Rain. Show your love sign for Rain. Love sign for Rain. Second question, Rain. So many questions have come in. Your second question is.
My favorite is Naksa. Naksa. So last night I ate Naksa, and it's like almost dim sum. Kuching dim sum.
Wonderful. We're going to create a new menu in Kuching dim sum coming up soon. Next question to Rain. Again, so many questions. Any local words you have learned in Kuching? Any new words, Rain? Any new words you have learned? Any new words?
Apa kabar? How do you say I love you? Sayang kamu, right? Okay, thank you.
Very good. Rain, before we depart, any final words or advice to anyone here?
뭐든지 최선을 다하면 좋을 것 같아요. 제가 프로듀싱 일할 때도 그렇고, 아무튼 최선을 다하면 되는 것 같습니다.
I think it's great if you try your best in everything, even when I'm producing.
Thank you, Rain. We see you
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Rain. Slowly, yeah. Don't push. Yeah, don't push. Slowly, yeah.